If your dryer is making noises like these, check for loose or broken drum baffles. To learn how to replace or adjust the baffles, do the following. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. Using a potting knife, open the top panel and lean it against the wall. If you're using a cordless screwdriver like this one, set it up so you don't strip the holes or the screws, okay? If the screws on the baffles are loose, all you have to do is tighten the screws. If you need to remove any of the baffles, just remove the holding screws. Open the door on the dryer and remove the bad baffle. Make sure you put the baffle the right way, or the holes on the drum will not match the holes on the baffle. Once you got the baffle the right way, just go ahead and put it inside of the drum and screw in the holding screw just to hold it in place. Be careful when you're screwing in the holding screws that you don't strip the holes on the baffles, okay? Go ahead and close the door and lower the top panel. And try the dryer to see how it works now. For the best place to buy replacement parts online, visit Repair Clinic. When you buy parts from Repair Clinic, you have 365 days from the day of purchase to return the part for a refund or for a replacement. You can find links to Repair Clinic in my website.